Ion channels are proteins found in the cell membrane that allow charged particles called ions to move into or out of a cell. Because the cell membrane is relatively impermeable to most ions, ion channels play a critical role in controlling electrical signals in the body, especially in excitable cells like neurons, cardiac cells, and muscle cells. Structurally, ion channels are typically made up of multiple protein subunits that come together to form a central pore that provides a pathway for ions across the cell membrane. Ion channels are selective, meaning each channel allows only certain ions to travel through it. This selectivity depends primarily on the structure and charge properties of the channel pore, which can cause it to favor specific ions based on factors like their size and electrical charge. While some channels, known as leak channels, remain open all the time, others can open and close, which is a process known as gating. Different types of ion channels are classified based on what causes them to open. Voltage-gated ion channels, for example, open in response to changes in electrical charge across the membrane. Ligand-gated ion channels, on the other hand, open when a specific molecule binds to them. There are also channels that open in response to other stimuli, including mechanical forces like pressure or stretch, as well as temperature changes and other sensory signals. The movement of ions through ion channels can make the inside of a cell more positive or more negative, and this is the basis of electrical signaling in excitable cells like neurons, cardiac cells, and muscle cells. Because this signaling is essential for normal function, problems with ion channels can lead to a wide range of disorders known as channelopathies.